Namaskar and Adab to all my friends from your friend astrologer and guide Irfan, once more with you from your very own channel Astro Assurance. Today we'll talk about the probable results or what directions the Taurus ascendant natives may take in the month of June 2020. For Taurus ascendant natives, you will find that your 7th Lord and your 12th Lord Mars is in your 10th house or transiting through your 10th house in Aquarius. So this is an important placement for you in the month of June, and you have the important planets, two very key planets, Jupiter and Saturn, together in your 9th house, with Saturn and Jupiter being in Saturn being in own sign, whereas Jupiter being in its debilitation sign. So this is an important conjunction, transit conjunction for you. So 9th house of fate and luck, whereas Saturn also rules your 10th house, are activated strongly. So Saturn being in its own sign in the 9th house in Capricorn while ruling the 10th house also, and 7th Lord Mars being placed there along with 12th Lord Mars also. So this is a good and important combination. Whereas Jupiter, which rules your 8th house and also rules your 11th house, is also placed there. So you can see that very strong very strong energies impacting your 10th house of career. So what can Taurus ascendant natives see with respect to career in the month of June? You will find that for some people there may be a discussion about or even a proposal for either a role change, organization structure may change, organization structure may even change as early as end of May or mid-May, and the impact of that you may probably feel in June or first week of June. So the organization structure, the role change, job descriptions may change, you may be expected to be more flexible, and there may be, for very few people, there may also be a recommendation of a location change. Recommendation for that may also come about. Why is that so? Because Sun, which is your 4th Lord, will be transiting through your Lagna, and then later part of the month it will be getting into your 2nd house, which also constitutes home. So that's why home it will be under focus. So for those who location change may not be recommended, some of you may think about some renovation related to home. Now that a lot of us have lived for a long time in the house, our focus will be on a home, and there may be some ideas that we may be having in terms of making it more livable, or some changes, or some boredom may also have crept in. So some of us may want some changes in the home, repairs to the home, and in fact some of you may even feel of moving out of the home and taking a larger home, and that will be towards the end of Jupiter that you may actually be seriously thinking of changing the home or moving home, and actually may take steps towards that direction. With the 5th Lord and the 2nd Lord Mercury placed in the 2nd house itself, which means some of you who must have spent a lot of time at home working on your artistic endeavors, some of you in music or dance or singing or whatever, any other hobby which you may have cultivated or worked upon, you may work on it more, and you may have, some of you may have started to make some blogs, posted YouTube videos and some other videos on social media and all, and you may want to take it further. Some of you may have started some earning from it also. So it's not a bad thing if you are on that stretch, then please take it further, because some of you will surely want to take up your hobbies as a career, or at least something which you do on the sidelines, which may bring some money also in. So this is a good placement for those people who have worked on the artistic endeavors and taken steps there. For those who have made some speculative investments in market shares and all, interestingly, for some of you, if luck is on your side, you may even gain, though the markets are right now not in the best of situation, but some of you may gain if you make the investments prudently. That means you look at what are the strongest placement of planets in your horoscope and what those planets signify. Basis that you make investments in share or stocks, rather than making it all over the place. So for example, if Jupiter is strongly placed, then Jupiter constitutes living things. So living things can be attributed to agriculture as well, or to Venus, food items. So you may put into you may invest in stocks related to those commodities. For those people who have very strong Sun and Venus, you may also think of making investments in those companies which deal in bullion or even the money market, or those who have a strong Mercury and Rahu may think about investing in IT stocks. So various combinations may bring about some speculative gains also for you related to the 5th house for you. Some of you, those who have any love affection or any relations connected to work, you met your girlfriend or boyfriend at work, you may think of taking it further. Maybe engagement bells may ring for some of you. Some of you may even think seriously about marriage later part of June. So when the Sun transit happens, this is also because Venus, which rules your Lagna and also the 6th house, is transiting through the Lagna itself. So that's why relations, intimacy, wedding bells, engagement can be in line for some of you. So please you may take it further. Few of you may take more interest in matters of team, working with teams, with 7th Lord Mars in the 10th house. So team composition may change at work, and so be careful of how you work with and how you accept the changes which are brought about at work or suggested at work by your managers and supervisors. Keep good relations with managers and supervisors, because this is a key month for you. With Sun transiting through your Lagna, Sun also represents authority figures, and then later on getting into the 2nd house over Gemini. So be little wary of, be careful how you manage your work relations. And one key area is because of the 6th Lord Venus also transiting through your Lagna, be careful of what you eat and how you indulge yourself, because some of you may rush to restaurants or eatery places if they open the later part of June. So be a little careful, because 6th Lord, even if it's the ruler of the sign and going through the Lagna with the Sun transiting through the Lagna and then into the 2nd house of food, some of you may also face some trouble related to stomach if you don't indulge in food properly. So friends, this is my analysis for Taurus ascendant natives for the month of June 2020. Please reach out to me if you are looking for a personal consultation from me. Please like this video, share this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you get to know when my new video is coming. Till we meet some other time with some other video, this is your friend, astrologer and guide Irfan signing off. Ciao.